And here is my Chico Jujube. It has very few jujubes, but it has a lot of flowers still. So I'm hoping now that it's not as hot that they will get pollinized better and I'll have more fruit. So I'll keep you updated on that. And also I noticed that there are some suckers coming out and they're producing also, so I'm gonna see if the fruit is any good, and if it's any good I'll just root them, cut them and root them, maybe do air layer or something, and then if it's bad I'll just root them and then graft them. Now I'll give you updates on those two.